Hello everyone and welcome to another review today about the best suction cups for your action cameras, such as the Insta360, GoPro and other devices like video lights and microphones. I have used these two suction cups for the last 2 years and now it's time to give you my final feedback. If you like to support my work, make sure to follow the links in the video description below to make the purchase. Thank you very much. Both of them retail at about $80 to $90. You might think, well, that is expensive. But considering that you're getting a suction cup for decades or life, it's just 80 to 90 bucks. Both suction cups are available in different colors. So why is the smaller one so much better than the one from GoPro for the double price? You don't need any extra accessories to turn your camera because there's already a ball head included in the suction cup itself. The bigger suction cup has a larger surface and an extension arm included, which can be rotated 360 degrees. The extension arm can be purchased separately and it can be attached to both suction cups. If you need more distance to the window, you may use 2 extension arms. Let's get to some examples. Make sure anytime you attach any of them to a glass or another smooth surface that the surface is clean, otherwise you might risk a damage. Considering that you're getting a suction cup with such a great build quality and either an extension arm included or a ball head with the smaller version, you get a protection case so as the extra tool to tighten the screws for only $90. None of them got loose during the last 2 years when used properly. And of course, both of them are great for flying, driving, and of course for anyone out there who wants to attach something to a smooth surface or glass. The link to all the accessories is listed in the video description below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time und bis bald. Tschüss.